Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're gonna walk through how to apply a visitor visa, or you can say a tourist visa online to travel to Guyana. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Immigration Support Services of Guyana. Okay, here they have given the link for e-services where you can click to proceed. But before you do that, check the requirements. For example, if you want to apply for visitor visa, so let's say you're going for the new one. So have your passport biodata page, passport photo, sponsor, later requesting visa on arrival, mandatory, and something could be required and could not be based on circumstances. Like applicant birth certificate is required, but spouse and child, these may not be. Okay, these are the formats. It has to be in English. Photo requirements are given. Okay, even other things are also given about the document. So once you have all this based on your case ready, click on apply now. Here, if you already have the account created, go ahead and log in. If you don't have, click on sign up. Sign up with your name and email, and then click on sign up. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to. So guys, I logged in. Okay, so what happens, like you put your name and email, then the system does send an email verification link to your email account that you have to click in order to verify. So once you come here, this is your dashboard basically, and you can click on new application to begin with. So who is applying? Individual applicant on their own. Okay, in my case, like in this sample video, but depending upon your case, you do. Does the applicant have a visa landing but entry permit? No. Is the application for a landing permit or visa? I select visa. So it's giving the type of visa that you want to apply. So I click on new visitor visa. Okay. So it's in the like multiple tabs, personal sponsor employment. Okay, fine. So read through all this about the documents and all that you need. Click on next. So your personal information. Type of visitor visa. So I select single entry. All sample guys. You do as per your own case. Last name. And whatever you enter, make sure to check it at least 2 times. Marital status, gender, date of birth, do it as per your own case. Place of birth, make sure it matches with your passport. They have also asked for birth certificate if you remember. Country of birth, nationality, eye color, amber, blue, brown, green, leather. Okay. Just black. Hair color. Wow. Height in centimeter. Oh. Now, well, I'll just put 170 centimeter. Just that's not my height sample. Distinguish mark not mandatory, but definitely do it. It will help in the identification. Address line. Put your address line. Put your address information. Country. Okay. If you want to add family details, you can add that. Add that. Phone number. Use the arrow to select the country. Yeah, so that they can put the IST code. Yes. Email address. Provide proper email address. Don't do like this. Once you're ready, go to next. Sponsorship type. Here you're doing self sponsorship. So That's what you don't have to worry about this. You don't have any address, and then a sponsor type individual. Okay. So sponsor type, yeah. So that you can just leave it because you're doing it self. Because if you go for individual, it will ask for the individual ID and other things, considering you have someone. But I leave it because I'm special sponsoring myself. If you go for other option, sponsored, then relationship, all the things it will ask. But self sponsorship, so I don't need to go for these fields. Sponsorship type. Oh wow, what happened? Selected self sponsorship. Not valid. So why are they doing validation now? Employment status. Employed occupation. IT consultant. Company. Delhi. IT. Do you have a job waiting for you in Guyana? I said no. I'll go for next. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go back and fix that phone number. Otherwise, they will keep on asking. Yeah, that's too much. 10 digits I'll do. That's standard phone number format for India. Missing fields. What happened? For travel. Okay. Yeah, of course, we have to put that information. Passport number key. Do it as per your own case, guys. Issue date, expiry date, showing country, stay duration, period, days. Let's say you're gonna stay there for 10 days. Port of entry. That's airport, right? Most of the people will in the industry airport. No. Indian arrival date. Have you visited before? I select no. Where you'll be staying. So provide that information because this is not mandatory field I'm skipping, but please provide information, address, and phone number, everything. What is the purpose of your visit? I select tourism. Who are you traveling with? Select alone. Who did you arrange your travel to Guyana? I select yes. Are you family member incurring a debt to fund your travel? I select no. Is there any forcing or pressuring you to travel to Guyana? I select no. Is there anything about your travel that makes you feel uncomfortable or uncertain? I select no. Details about a set of purpose visit to help us process your application. Yeah, so provide all the details why you want to go, what you're going to see, and any other plans that you have. Declaration. Okay. So, have you been convicted of any offense or crime? I select no. Do you seek enter to Guyana in export of control violations? No. Have been denied a Guyana visa? I select no. Have you ever violated terms of Guyana visa? I select no. Been refused entry, deported from any country? No. Have been diagnosed with serious medical illness? Narcotic activities? Name the person filling this form. So your name, certify next, where you're gonna upload, and from there you're gonna pay, and the application will proceed. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. And once it is granted, you're all good to go. And they will also specify the further steps. So that is how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.